Let's quickly talk about the way that you use the YouTube Music student discount. Welcome back to this new guide video. In order for you to get a student discount, there is a separate plan inside of YouTube Music. If you head over to the upgrade section, right here you can see the section called student, which is a separate plan and is much cheaper than the family and the individual plan. Now you can subscribe to this student plan, but you need to ensure that you verify your identity. You can click on the try 1 month for $0, and it says right here you will be redirected to the share ID to verify your student status. So only after your student status is verified, you will be able to subscribe to the student plan. Click on the continue option, and right here you will need to select your country, the education establishment, meaning the institution you study at, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your email address, and you can click on verify my student status. As I said, only after your student status is verified, you will be redirected to the payment section where you can add in your card details and then subscribe to the student plan. Now, in some cases, you might also need to upload your identity document like a current student ID. You'll need to re-verify your status once a year to maintain the discount or in order to activate your student plan inside of YouTube Music. And that's it. That's the exact process that you need to follow in order to use the YouTube Music student discount. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you are interested in more future videos just like this, make sure you hit that notification bell.